Hey everyone, welcome back to BitLearn. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and tutorials. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix a slow Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 10. If your browser has been super slow and you're tired of waiting for pages to load, follow these steps to speed it up. Alright, let's get started. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once you're in Task Manager, find Microsoft Edge, right-click on it, and select End Task. This will close the browser. Next, head over to the Startup tab on the left. Find Microsoft Edge in the list and make sure it's disabled. If it's enabled, right-click on it and hit Disable. Now, open up Microsoft Edge again. Click on the three-dot menu button in the upper right corner and go to Settings. First, let's remove all cookies. Go to Cookies and Site Permissions on the left. Then select Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. Click on See All Cookies and Site Data and remove everything. Next, go to Start, Home, and New Tabs in the settings. Scroll down and make sure the option Preload the new tab page for a faster experience is enabled. Now, we need to update Edge. Go to About Microsoft Edge from the Settings menu. This will automatically check for updates and install them if there are any. Finally, let's clean up some extensions. Go back to the three-dot menu, select Extensions, and click on Manage Extensions. Remove any extensions you don't need or use. And that's it. My Edge browser is now running way faster after these fixes. I hope these tips help you speed up your Microsoft Edge browser. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to BitLearn for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.